Okay, now, as we covered in the previous clip, we've already got the tool rigged with our string. We're set up for 7 bites. We've got our recipe on page 10 of the Turk's Head Cookbook handy. Alright, and I'm just going to lay the recipe right down. I can see it from where I'm working. I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to start. Okay, we talked a little about the recipe. We're going to start at pin 1, go down to pin 4, from pin 4 up to 7, down to 3, and on our way from 3 up to 6, we're going to go under 1 strand. That's what that needle is attached to the string for. Then from 6 to 2, we're going to go over 1 strand, etc. throughout the recipe. I'll talk through that as we go. Feel free to follow along and pause the video as you need. Alright. See, I can see this down here at the bottom, so I can tell what I'm doing as I go. Alright, we're going to start at pin 1. I'm going to start by wrapping the cord around pin 1 like that. I'm going to go down and around pin 4. Okay, pin 4 is the one that sticks out of the edge of the tool. I'm going to rotate the tool, and I'm going to go up to pin 7. Okay, and from 7, I'm going to go down to pin number 3. Now I'm just moving this other cord, this other end of the cord out of the way. Don't want to get it tangled up yet. I'll have plenty of chance later to get that tangled up in the problem, but for now, alright, so we got the pin 7 at the top up here. We are going from pin 7 down to pin 3 at the bottom. Okay, now that U, that under that we're going through, is, I'm going to go under here. I got my needle, and I'm going to go under. Alright, I'm going to go under there now. And you can see I just tucked under that. So we left 3, we're going to go under once, and back up to 6. Alright, from 6, next thing is the letter O. Alright, and we're going to go over on the way down to, I got to keep pulling this out of the way, pin number 2. Alright, from pin number 2, instructions say U and then O up to 5, so under and then over. Pull this through and pull that a little bit tight, not too tight, and up to pin 5. From pin 5, we're going to go over. Alright, don't know how well you can see that. From pin 5, we're going to go over this strand here and under this strand here. Alright, so I've got my needle. I'll do over and then under. Ta-da! Alright, from pin 5, going down to pin number 1. Okay, I'm around pin number 1 on the bottom edge of the tool, and I'm going to go from 1, under, over, under, up to pin 4. See this in the diagram here? From pin 1, under, over, under, on the way up to pin number 4. Alright, so I'm going to go under, over, and then under. Pin number 4 is the pin that sticks out along the edge. Alright, the tool. So over pin number 4. From pin number 4, we're going to go over, under, over. So over, under, over. And end up at pin 7 on the bottom. From pin 7, instructions say, recipe says under, over, under, over. So we're going to do under, over, under, oops, over. Get used to that. And up to pin number 3. Okay, around pin 3 at the top. There we go. Alright, from pin 3 at the top, we are going to go over, under on the way down to 6. Alright, this is all in the recipe. Over. Unders at the edge are a little bit hard, but you get used to them. This is why you don't want to pull the cord too tight. You end up with problems. Oops. Sometimes you slide off of a pin. Hold that tight. Alright, and there's over, under. And we're going to go over, under. On the way to pin number 6 at the bottom. We're almost done. Okay, we got just 2 more turns around the tool to go, and then we got 1 more pin, pin number 5 at the bottom. So let's continue on.